In this video, we are going to shade 3 of the most essential 3D forms used in drawing and painting, using hatching techniques. Hatching is a classic shading method where you create depth and dimension with sets of parallel or cross lines. It helps artists show light, shadow, and form in a very controlled and expressive way. So let's get started. This exercise will help you improve your drawing skills, whether you are a beginner or already more advanced. Practicing basic forms like this is one of the best ways to build a strong foundation in both drawing and shading. So to begin, I'll sketch out the cube, the cylinder, and the sphere in their simplest forms. These are the building blocks behind almost every complex object you draw, so mastering them is key. I'm starting the hatching on the cube. Adding variety to your hatching can make your drawing more dynamic. Just make sure it doesn't turn into a mess. What really matters is controlling the pressure of your hand, keeping the spacing between your lines, and most importantly, don't be afraid of making bold strokes. I'm shading all the faces of the cube using hatching. At this stage, it's enough to just observe carefully and try to follow along. Focus on the direction of the lines, the pressure I use, and how each face has a slightly different shading based on the light. This kind of mindful coping helps train your eyes and hand at the same time, so don't rush it. I'll continue shading the next 2 forms with hatching just like this. In future videos, we'll dive deeper into drawing and shading techniques in much more details. Since this is my very first tutorial in this style on the channel, I hope you really enjoy it and join me on this journey. Feel free to send me photos of your practice drawing on Instagram. I'll gladly guide you for free. And before we finish, here are a few quick tips to keep in mind when hatching. Keep your lines consistent in direction and spacing. Control your hand pressure to create a smooth transition between light and dark. And don't be afraid to experiment and make bold strokes. I'm waiting for your comments below to help me make even more exciting videos for you. Here, we are all about enjoying art and learning together. Keep your lines sharp and your activity sharper. Don't forget, draw with passion and shade with purpose. Don't forget to leave a comment and hit that subscribe button. I'll be waiting for you in the next videos. This is just the beginning.